Health benefits of cauliflower, florets, leaves and stems. Do you throw away the leaves and stems of cauliflower? Most people do, but the truth is you are losing out on powerful nutrition. Let's explore the amazing health benefits of cauliflower, its florets, leaves and stems. Florets. The white florets are packed with vitamin C and vitamin K. Great for your immunity, skin and bones. They contain sulforaphane, a natural compound known to fight against certain cancers. Being rich in fiber, they improve digestion, keep you full and help in weight management. And yes, cauliflower also contains choline, which is a brain booster, supporting memory and learning. Leaves. Cauliflower leaves are usually thrown away, but they are more nutritious than the florets. They are loaded with iron and calcium, preventing anemia and strengthening bones. They are rich in vitamin A, which protects your eyes, boosts immunity and gives your skin a healthy glow. The antioxidants in these leaves help detoxify the body and slow down aging. Stems. Let's talk about the stem. It is a treasure of fiber, supporting digestion and gut health. It provides vitamin C, B complex vitamins, and essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. This combination helps regulate blood pressure, strengthen muscles, and reduce inflammation in the body. So, next time you bring home cauliflower, don't waste the leaves and stems. Cook the leaves like spinach, add the stems to soups, curries, or stir fries, and enjoy the full benefits. Eating the whole vegetable means better health, less food waste. Stay healthy, eat wisely, and make the most of nature's full gifts.